President of the Southeastern Railway Promoter Officers Association, onto the stage. Flowers are a very, and so shall we do today. Flowers can speak 1,000 words. To hand over the flowers to our dignitaries on the stage, to please welcome our manager of Southeastern Railway, Shri Radhesh. I request K.R. Shri D. Kamila. Shoma Ganguly, I request you once again, flowers. And now K.R. Ganguly, I request you, who is the President of the Southeastern Railway Officers Association, with flowers. Jhumur Shannal, I request our Deputy CVO S&T with flowers. Thank you. And now we are very much Pushpanjali Kamila, our Vice President Service, the DRMs, the officers from the headquarters, divisions were gathered here to witness this function. Our organized labor, SERMC, SERMU, we function with the traditional lighting of the lamp, which we consider very auspicious. The lighting of the lamp is a symbol of auspiciousness and a heralder of brightness. Dispel everything that is ugly, all the darkness, and into light, light which shows the path of knowledge. Unusual weather for this time of the year, cloudy skies, normally you all. And of course our SERMC and SERMU are there with us today. Thank you all for coming here, Rabindra Sangit, Jagoto Jure, Udaro Shure, and it will be presented by our Dokhinpur. Ladies and gentlemen, this group has averted a very serious accident, a very severe casualty, in recovering the same by interrogating the culprits on the basis of CCTV footage. Great job done, because this is a very common complaint that we receive. Great job done. To Sri Jairam Prasad and 10 others, pipeline fitters Jharsuguda, a big failure happened at IP station by which water supply was badly hampered at Jharsuguda settlement and service buildings. This group worked day and night to rectify the pipeline, and water supply was restored in a record time. Water is something which number 25 has been relaxed to normal speed successfully in a record time of 45 days. Thank you. EMU bogie frame to MEMU motorized bogie and generated spare EMU and MEMU bogies. They were also very prompt in repairing so in-house and fitted to make them serviceable departmentally. Great. RTI section, Srimati Uma Pole, with the assistance of Sri Shivnath Das Teno, has dealt with references under RTI Act very successfully and systematically. We know how sensitive RTI are.
आज 60वें रेल सप्ताह समारोह में मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत व अभिनंदन करता हूं। जैसा कि आपको विदित है कि हर वर्ष 10 अप्रैल से 16 अप्रैल के बीच में रेल सप्ताह का आयोजन किया जाता है, जिसमें हम कुछ अधिकारियों व रेल कर्मियों को सम्मानित व पुरस्कृत करते हैं। आज ही के दिन भारत में पहली बार 16 अप्रैल 1853 में रेलगाड़ियों का परिचालन थाने से बोरीबंदर के बीच शुरू हुआ था। 2014-15 वित्तीय वर्ष में दक्षिणी पूर्व रेलवे का कार्य संतोषजनक रहा है। यद्यपि कुछ अपरिहार्य कारणों से लोडिंग लक्ष्य से कम थी, परंतु रेलवे की आय में करीब 8.57% की बढ़ोतरी पिछले वर्ष की तुलना में हुई है।
As mentioned, Railway Week is celebrated every year all over Indian Railways to commemorate the running of the first train in India on 16th April 1853, which marked the beginning of railway operations in India. I am happy to inform you that Southeastern Railway has bagged the Electrical Engineering Traction Shield in the 60th National Railway Week Award function held this year at Guwahati on 13th of April.
On behalf of Southeastern Railway Promoting Officer Association, take this opportunity of the 60th Railway Week celebration being held here today to signify the historical day of railway maiden journey in British India on 16th April 1853. The Railway Week celebration is a happy occasion to all the railway men and women, especially those who will receiving the Railway Week awards of their outstanding and commendable service. I warmly congratulate them and also whole dedicated team of Southeastern Railway who are constantly behind the wheels of progress.